Oh. Hmm.
People evil in Makaila. You feel like you can look past somebody and see through them and so the nicest set of people are the most evil set of people.
Mm-hmm. Me know because me been through
People
stuff
are
with
smiling in
people.
your face. And them will kill you behind your back, you don't even know. A whole
Mm.
heap of people pretend with me like say them like me. And a them same wanna do what them a do for hold me down.
Wow.
Yeah, like me need to get this off for me. Me need to find a pastor. Me need help like I do. Me need God to save me. You see, oh, me have to turn to now. Me can't run go to no Obia man. Me can't run go to no science man. A God, at the end of the day, a God me have to run go back to. No matter how much Obia man me go, none of them could have helped me. A God me have to run go to now and I ask God to save my life and deliver me.
Wow.
It's serious. It's serious. Like I've spoken to a lot of Wobia man, a lot of reader man, and none